Assalamu alaikum, मेरा नाम आरिफ मंसूरी है and I'm the host of the Mansoori Show, the show that is best described as मिलाऊंगा, बताऊंगा, दिखाऊंगा. You're linked to everything Pakistani, straight from California, the Mansoori Show. नाज़रीन, आज हम आपको झलकियाँ दिखाएंगे रीऑर्गेनाइजेशनल इवेंट ऑफ सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजिया, जहाँ पर कि आज हमारे पाकिस्तानी नौज़ाद अली सज्जाद ताज साहब को मेयर ऑफ सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजिया इलेक्ट किया गया. और ये सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजिया मैं बताते चलूँ, कैलिफोर्निया में लॉस एंजल्स के करीब वाक़या ये शहर सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजिया लिटिल पाकिस्तान या लिटिल इंडिया भी कहलाता है. आइए हम आपको इस प्रोग्राम की झलकियाँ दिखाते हैं.
12 दिसंबर सन 2016 एक तारीख साज दिन था. इस दिन सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजिया कैलिफोर्निया ने रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेरेमनी का इनेकाद किया, जिसमें पाकिस्तानी निसाद अली सज्जाद ताज को मेयर ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजिया मुंतखब किया गया. मेयर ताज पाकिस्तान में पैदा हुए और लाहौर में पले बढ़े. उन्होंने हाई स्कूल हेग नीदरलैंड में अटेंड किया और बैचलर्स डिग्री इकोनॉमिक्स और पॉलिटिकल साइंस में हासिल की और मास्टर्स डिग्री पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में हासिल की. मेयर ताज पिछले 15 साल से फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज इंडस्ट्री से मुंसलिक रहे और कई मल्टीनेशनल फर्म्स में आला ओहदे पे अपने फ़राइज़ अंजाम दिए, जिनमें अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस, अमेरीप्राइज फाइनेंशियल और टीडी अमेरिट्रेड शामिल हैं. मेयर ताज को कई ज़बानों पर अबूर हासिल है, जिसमें उर्दू, पंजाबी, हिंदी, डच, फ्रेंच और जर्मन ज़बानें शामिल हैं. इस रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेरेमनी के मौके पर मेयर ताज से हमारी खुसूसी गुफ्तगू और उसके बाद हाज़रीन के कमेंट्स मुलाहिज़ा फरमाइए.
मेरे साथ इस वक्त सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजिया के नए मेयर जनाब अली सज्जाद ताज साहब मौजूद हैं. मेयर ताज, मैं आपसे मालूम करना चाहूँगा कि आज आप नए मेयर सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजिया के मुंतखब हुए, जिसको इस सिटी को लिटिल इंडिया या लिटिल पाकिस्तान भी कहा जाता है. तो आपके क्या ख्यालात हैं आज?
देखिए, पहले तो मैं आप सबका शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ और उनका शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे वोट किया और इलेक्ट किया और मुंतखब किया इस पोजीशन के लिए. और फिर ये कि जो कम्युनिटी है हमारी, जिस तरह आपने फरमाया, बहुत डाइवर्स है. इसमें इंडियन अमेरिकन्स हैं, पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन्स हैं, पोर्चुगीज़ अमेरिकन हैं, लैटिनो अमेरिकन्स हैं. और इस कम्युनिटी में जो है एक वो है कि वो किसी तरह डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं करते. और डिस्क्रिमिनेट इसलिए नहीं करते कि अगर कोई एक अच्छे इश्यूज़ सामने लेके आए या एजेंडा सामने लेके आए या एक मंशूर सामने लेके आए, तो ये एक आर्टिजिया ऐसी कम्युनिटी है जो कि डाइवर्सिफाइड है, बट लेकिन वो सपोर्ट करते हैं उसको, उन इश्यूज़ को सपोर्ट करते हैं, उस मंशूर को सपोर्ट करते हैं.
सो मिस्टर मेयर, मैं आपसे मालूम करना चाहूँगा, एज ए पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन, आप हमारे जो यंग जनरेशन है उसको क्या मशवरा देना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, मेरा मानना यंग जनरेशन के लिए और बाकी पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन्स के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन,
बिल्कुल,
और मैसेज यही है कि देखिए, अगर इस मुल्क में, इस कम्युनिटी में या किसी भी कम्युनिटी में काम किया जाए तो उसके रिजल्ट्स डेफिनेटली मिलते हैं. और मैं एक लिविंग एग्जांपल हूँ उसके. तो मैं अपनी बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं ये एक बात इस तरीके से कर रहा हूँ कि सबको इस बात का इल्म हो या मालूम हो या पता चले कि ये पॉसिबल है, और पॉसिबल डेफिनेटली है. और हमें आवाज़ उठाने के लिए पॉलिटिक्स में आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और यही चीज़ जो है मैं अपने यूथ को बताना चाहूँगा कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने सिटी काउंसिल में, लोकल में हिस्सा लें, मीटिंग्स पे जाएं, समझें कि क्या इश्यूज़ हैं, और फिर ऑफिसेस, लोकल ऑफिसेस के लिए, जिस तरह स्कूल बोर्ड है या सिटी काउंसिल, उसके लिए रन करें. और हर तरह से मेरी सपोर्ट वो पाएंगे.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया
जी. बहुत शुक्रिया आरसा आपका, और आपके साथ काम करने का बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मज़ा आता है, और कई सालों से हम इकट्ठे काम कर रहे हैं. और एयरवाइड जिंदाबाद.
I am with the California Senator Tony Mendoza. Sir, you have known the new mayor of City of Artesia, Ali Sajjad Taj, for a long time, and apparently he says that he has learned a lot from you. What is your opinion of the new mayor of City of Artesia?
Ali Sajjad Taj is a very special individual. Over the years, since I've known him, he is a grassroots community person that has been able to connect with many leaders locally, state, and federal. Ali has done a great job to not only enhance his own persona as a person who is a good government official, but he's been able to represent our community throughout our state and throughout our nation. He is a hardworking person that I've enjoyed working with him. He's a great person. It's an honor for our city to have the first Pakistani American to be elected as mayor. It's historic. For me, I'm so proud of that because I believe in diversity, and I believe that the South Asian community contributes a lot to California and to our country. And for him to be the leader and representative, it's an honor for all of us. So thank you for being here and covering this important event. And I want to congratulate all the community, the Pakistani community, the South Asian community, for this great victory today.
Thank you so much, Senator.
Thank you.
I have with me LA County Supervisor Janice Han. You have known the new mayor of the city of Artesia, Ali Sadat Taj, for quite some time. What do you think of the new mayor?
I'm very proud to be here tonight to witness Ali Taj becoming the mayor of Artesia. I have known him for many, many years, and I have known him to be such a man of integrity, of honesty, of passion, of dedication. As I said in my remarks tonight, I have never heard him say something that he didn't mean, or promise to do something that he didn't do. Or if he said he was going to show up somewhere, he shows up. You can count on him, which is very rare these days with elected officials. But the city of Artesia has a man in Ali Taj that they can be proud of and that they can trust to do things that are in their best interest, not just in the interest of politicians.
Madam Supervisor, Ali Sadat Taj, as you mentioned in your brief remarks, is of Pakistani descent. And the diversity in city of Artesia and in Los Angeles, we are very diversified. What would you like to say about that?
I think this is a historic moment, and I think it speaks so well of the people who elected him, that they would choose someone like Ali Taj, who is of Pakistan descent, to bring the kind of diversity and voice to so many people, because Los Angeles County is a county that has over 10 million people, so many diverse ethnicities, people who are immigrants who have come to Los Angeles County for a better life. And the fact that he is mayor of this city really highlights the important role that people of all ethnic backgrounds play in making LA County such a great place.
And Madam Supervisor, I forgot to mention, congratulations. You have just won the election recently. And as you mentioned, you have been in this position for
1 week.
1 week. So what does it feel like to be the supervisor now?
Well, it's very exciting to me. It's a job that I have wanted for a very long time. Probably my whole life I have wanted this job. My own father, Kenneth Hahn, was a county supervisor for 40 years. So it's very satisfying to me to think that I can follow in my dad's footsteps and be a member of the County Board of Supervisors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I have with me the outgoing mayor of the city of Artesia, Victor Manlo. Let's ask him, sir, how has your experience been as the mayor, the just immediately past mayor?
It's been a wonderful experience. This is my second time as the mayor here in the city of Artesia. The first time, and I'm sure the new mayor will feel this, that there's so much, very nervous, a lot of responsibility, you don't know what to expect, and so the first time is a little more difficult. The second time, I kind of knew what I was doing, I knew what I wanted to do, and of course it always helps to have a great council to work for.
I have with me City of Artesia Councilwoman Sally Flowers. I would like to ask you, what is your opinion about the reorganization ceremony of the City Council of Artesia today?
Oh, I really enjoyed it. This is the largest, I've been on City Council for 20 years, and this is the largest reorganization gathering that we've had in the history, I believe, in the history of the city. And that's thanks to Ali Taj.
So now you are also, congratulations to you, you were elected to the pro tem mayor. And what do you think about that?
Well, this will be my 5th time, so yeah, so I'm pretty experienced on that, and I plan on using that to help Ali. This is his first time as mayor. I know he'll do a superb job. He'll do a very good job. I will be there to support him in whatever he wants to do within the city. We work together well, and I think it's going to be a really great year.
I have with me the City Councilman Tony Lemus with me. Sir, what can you tell us about today's reorganization ceremony?
Today was a lovely reorganization with a lot of people, everybody very upbeat and very optimistic. Everyone wishing for Taj to do the best work that he can in his life in the city of Artesia. So we were all very happy that he is the mayor now, and he will remain mayor for 1 year. And during that 1 year, we hope to have great accomplishment by the mayor. Taj.
So now, Mr. Limas, you have worked with Ali Sajjad Taj for some time now.
About 3 years that he's a council member here, and I have a good relationship with Taj. He's very, he understands the projects that I'm in favor. He are most likely in favor of my own projects as well. So we work very close together.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The reorganization ceremony of the City Council of Artesia has just ended. Let's ask some of the people that attended the event about their opinion. So what was your opinion about today's ceremony?
Well, I think it was what we have been working hard, and our community has been working hard. And today what we were seeing was a South Asian, a Pakistani American who is now risen to be the first mayor and mayor of Artesia and also mayor of Little India. So we are very honored. We work in this community very hard because with me is president of Sahara, which is the South Asian Women's Network, working here very closely. My wife is a part member of them. So I think they are here, we are here, and today hundreds of people from the state, from across America have come here to see Ali Taj become the first mayor, South Asian, a Pakistani American.
This is certainly a very historic moment. What would you like to say about today's occasion?
You know, it's a very proud moment for me as a Pakistani American woman. And Ali Sajjad Taj, he's a hardworking, honest, dedicated human being who wants to work with all the South Asian community and move them forward. And he's an excellent, excellent role model for our youth. So I am very proud to be here today.
Okay. So what would you like to say about this occasion?
I think one of the most momentous things about tonight's ceremony was the diversity represented in the room. As an Indian American supporting the South Asian Helpline and Referral Agency, I saw so many friends from different South Asian countries being represented here, Mexican Americans, Latinos, Latinas, the entire community coming out to support the first ever Pakistani mayor for Artesia. And I think that we can all be proud of an event like that.
थैंक यू सो मच नाज़रीन प्रोग्राम में अब वक्त हुआ एक छोटे से वक्फे का देखते रहिए वी विल बी राइट बैक वेलकम बैक आप देख रहे हैं झलकियां reorganizational event of the city of Artesia City Council. आइए इस प्रोग्राम का बरक़िया हिस्सा मुलाज़ा फरमाइए. I have some of the family members of Ali Sajjad Taj with me here. Let's ask them. First of all, I'd like you to please state your name. And the question for you is, what do you think about today's event and about Ali Sajjad becoming the mayor of city of Artesia?
My name is Alia Taj and I'm his sister, and today's event was really good. It was wonderful and it makes me feel very happy and proud of my brother. He's a great brother, he's a great son, and he's a great family member. I mean, anything I can ask for. He's very humble, he's very kind-hearted. I'm so proud of him.
My name is Yasmin Smith, and Ali Sajjad is my cousin, and I'm so proud of him and so happy for him. He's a very kind and loving person, and proud that he's mayor of Artesia.
My name is Halima, and Ali Sajjad is my cousin. And I too am very honored to be here and very proud of him. It was a great event, great turnout. And here's his brother. Come speak.
Ali Abbas Taj. I am a brother of the mayor, Ali Sajjad Taj, and obviously this is a very big event for our family and our friends, our supporters. And thank you very much ARY for covering it.
मेरे साथ इस वक्त मेयर ऑफ आर्टेजिया अली सज्जाद ताज साहब की वालदा मौजूद हैं. मैं आपसे मालूम करना चाहूँगा कि अली सज्जाद साहब के मेयर बनने पे आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
اللہ کا بہت احسان ہے, بڑا اس کا شکر ہے پاک پروردگار کا, جنہوں نے اتنا کرم کیے, اور آپ سب کی دعائیں شامل حال ہیں, آپ سب کی ساتھ مددیں اور آپ کی انکریجمنٹ سب کی, یہ بہت بڑی بات ہے جو آپ اس کو اتنی شفقت سے پیار کی نگاہ سے دیکھتے ہیں, اس کو انکریجمنٹ بھی دیتے ہیں, اس کا خیال بھی آپ سب رکھتے ہیں, بڑی شفقت دیتے ہیں. بہت بہت شکریہ آپ کا, بڑی نوازش.
بہت شکریہ جی, تھینک یو سو مچ.
تھینک یو.
مبارک اوان.
اور میرا نام شاہین اوان ہے. السلام علیکم. ایکچولی آج ہم علی سجاد کی میئر کی اس پر آئے ہیں اور ہم لوگ بہت خوش ہیں, اور ہم بہت پراؤڈ فیل کرتے ہیں کہ ہمارا پاکستانی بندہ اس پوزیشن پر پہنچا ہے. اینڈ اٹس اے ویری آنر اینڈ ہی ڈیزروز اٹ بیکاز ہی از ون آف دا ہمبلسٹ پرسن دیٹ وی نو ان سٹی آف آرٹیجیا اور ان لاس اینجلس. تو وی آر ویری ہیپی ٹو بی ہیئر ٹوڈے.
میرا نام سمین فاروقی ہے, یہ میری بیگم ہے روبی فاروقی. آج کی تقریب جو تھی یہ علی سجاد کی میئر اناگریشن کی تقریب تھی, اور ہم لوگ بے انتہا خوش ہیں کہ پہلا پاکستانی جو کہ کئی حوالوں سے آرٹیجیا بڑا امپورٹنٹ سٹی ہے اور اٹ از اے فل فلیش سٹی, اور اس کے وہ میئر منتخب ہوئے, تو یہ پاکستانیوں کے لیے بہت ہی خوشی کا مقام ہے. اٹ واز اے ویری ویری نائس ایونٹ, اور ہم بہت خوش ہیں اور بہت مبارکباد علی سجاد کو.
جی علی بھائی کو میری طرف سے بہت بہت مبارکباد, کنگریچولیشن.
جی السلام علیکم, میرا نام تقی چودھری اور یہ میری وائف مومنہ تقی.
السلام علیکم.
ہم آج کی تقریب جو علی تاج کی میئر بننے کی تقریب میں ادھر شرکت کی, بہت ہی اچھے انسان ہیں اینڈ ویری ویری ہارڈ ورکنگ گائے. تو میرا خیال ہے کہ وہ آرٹیجیا میں تبدیلی کے لیے پچھلے کئی سالوں سے کام کر رہے ہیں, اور اب ان کے لیے اور اچھے طریقے سے وہ کام کریں گے اس سٹی کے لیے. جتنی کمیونٹی ان کو سپورٹ کر سکتی ہے ہر طریقے سے کریں گے انشاءاللہ تعالی. اور we wish him all the good lucks and in the future, اور I'm sure that he will change the face of the city. شکریہ, خدا حافظ.
السلام علیکم, میرا نام آصف صدیقی ہے اور یہ میری وائف ہے
بینا صدیقی.
اور آج یہ جو تقریب ہوئی ہے یہ بڑی امپریسو ہے. بہت لوگ آئے ہیں ماشاءاللہ سے علی تاج صاحب کے لیے, اور جو اٹس اے ہسٹوریکل اوکیزن ایکچولی, because we are seeing, I think this is the first mayor of the Pakistani origin, and this is a history in the making today. So tonight is very special, not for just Ali Taj, but also for, I think, all the Pakistani Americans.
It's a proud moment for the whole community. ایک بہت بڑی اعزاز کی بات ہے کہ ہمارے پاکستانی کمیونٹی میں سے ایک صاحب اتنی اچھی جگہ تک پہنچے ہیں. علی تاج is a really nice person himself, and بہت ماشاءاللہ سے اللہ تعالیٰ ان کو ترقی دے اور آگے ان کو یہ ہماری کمیونٹی کے لیے مزید اعزاز کا باعث بنے.
السلام علیکم, میرا نام ادریس ملک ہے اور یہ میری بیگم ہے, ان کا نام ہے
سلمہ ملک.
اور آج کا جو پروگرام ہے ماشاءاللہ سے I'm totally completely proud of Ali Sajjad Taj. He is first Pakistani mayor has elected in the city of Artesia, and not only city of Artesia has gotten a best person for him, but all the Pakistani community as a whole, we are very proud of him. MashaAllah, he has accomplished a lot in such a short period that he is in the United States, and we are all proud of him and we wish him best luck.
میں معلوم کرنا چاہوں گا آپ سے کہ یہ ایک بہت مومنٹس اوکیشن ہے آج کے. ایک پاکستانی امریکن جو ہیں وہ سٹی آف آرٹیجیا کے میئر بنے, یہ تاریخی ایک دن ہے, اس کے بارے میں آپ کی کیا رائے ہے؟
اس کو آپ اس طرح سے رکھیے کہ جیسے اپنا کوئی بھائی, ہم سب یہاں پر جو ہیں یہ تو کیلیفورنیا میں پہلی دفعہ کوئی پاکستانی کسی سٹی کا میئر بنا ہے, تو دس از اے ویری بگ اوکیزن اینڈ دس از دا بگننگ. سو اب ہمیں کیا کرنا ہے کہ اپنے بچوں کو اور اس ٹریک پہ لانا ہے تاکہ ہماری نئی اپارچونیٹیز کھلیں اور we go to the mainstream and have our voice heard. So it's a very big occasion.
My name is Zafar Riyasat. I live in Riverside, California. We came to congratulate Mr. Ali Taj, who is the mayor of Artesia.
and we are proud of what he has achieved, and we have a lot of expectations, and hopefully he will be the best for everybody, and we will be again proud of him.
I have a few of the people that have been here at the reorganization ceremony at the City Council reorganization in City of Artesia. So first of all, can you state your name and tell me what you think about today's event?
Hi, I'm Shafali. I'm actually really proud of Ali Taj. I actually got the opportunity to intern for him about 2 years ago, and being at this event, it's like a really heartfelt moment for me, and seeing him represent the city of Artesia makes me even prouder of his actions.
Now, I understand you are the niece of Ali Sadat Taj. So how does this event make you feel now that he's mayor?
Well, I'm very, again, like she said, very, very proud of him. He cares so much about the community, so seeing him make it this far is really an amazing moment. Like watching him give his speech and talking about his experiences and hearing everyone else talk about their experiences with him and how he affects the community really just almost brought tears to my eyes. So I'm just really proud of him, and I'm just looking forward to the future, and hopefully he can do more for Artesia and the rest of the community.
So now, as a young, people, do you feel that you could follow in his footsteps and reach those places where Ali Sajjad has been?
I think he's a great inspiration. I'm currently studying political science, so he's really a role model to look up to, and he really inspires me in many ways. So I'm really glad to have him there, and I feel like he's an inspiration for the whole community. All the young people can look up to him and learn from him, definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Nasir Javed, Council of Pakistan American Affairs, President. This is a very happy occasion today for us, especially for Americans and especially for Californians, that we have a first Pakistani mayor of a major city, Artesia in California. It's a day to be celebrated, and it's a day to be proud of, and we are very proud of Ali Sadat Taj for being the mayor of city of Artesia. Thank you and God bless you.
आज का इवेंट देख करके और इतना अच्छा टर्नआउट है लोगों का, ये देख के बहुत खुशी से अंदाज़ा होता है कि कितने दोस्त हैं अली सज्जाद के और कितना लोग इन्हें पसंद करते हैं. और अली सज्जाद इज़ समबडी जिनको हम सब वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिम, और इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की अपनी इस जॉब में. और आर्टीज़िया को अब मैं कह रही थी अपने दोस्तों से कि कुछ सालों में बिल्कुल बदल गया है, और इनका डाउनटाउन जो है बहुत इम्प्रूव कर गया है, और अली सज्जाद बहुत कमिटेड है अपनी इस जॉब से. तो वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिम, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर टुडे. थैंक यू.
मेरे साथ इस वक्त बहुत एक प्रोमिनेंट कम्युनिटी मेंबर मौजूद हैं, बाबदीन साहब. आइए इनसे पूछते हैं कि आपको आज की तकरीब के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है.
I think it's a very proud moment for Americans as well as for Ali, and definitely for Muslims as well for the Pakistani community. Certainly makes us very, very proud.
Can you please state your name and tell us about what your opinion is about today's event?
My name is Sultan Ahmad, and I'm from City of Cerritos City Commissioner. And also, I would like to say this is the best ceremony we have ever seen. This is our community should be proud of this. And we got elected first Pakistani American mayor, Mr. Ali Taj.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
My name is Sebastian Gonzalez, and
my name is Sarah Peraza.
My opinions about Mr. Ali Taj becoming mayor is that this is going to be some great momentum for the city of Artesia. He's been very active within the community, and there's a lot of progress and changes that will be done for the greater of the community of the city of Artesia. And I think this is a great step forward.
I have with me Miss City of Artesia, Jennifer. Jennifer, what do you think of today's event?
Today it was an honorable event to attend today. It's very special to myself and everyone else in this community, and it was such a great honor to give Ali Taj the title of mayor.
So how long have you been Miss Artesia?
My reign started in June, so it's been a few months now.
And how long do you stay? Is it 1 year term?
Yes, 1 year.
Well, thank you so much. I have with me the former princess of the city of Artesia, Francine. So what do you think about today's event?
I think today's event was great. I've known Victor Manalo from the previous year when I was the former Miss Artesia Princess. And it's great to see Ali Taj become the new mayor, and he's a great man. So I'm very excited for him and the new year that's to come for him.
Winning the princess title, is that a very tough competition here in city of Artesia?
Oh yes, it's a very tough competition because for the city, there's many amazing girls with lots of amazing qualities, and it's very hard to compete against them. But it's very accomplishing when you win, and I think being the former Miss Artesia Princess is one of the biggest accomplishments that I've done so far in my life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm very honored to be a guest and invited of a new mayor appointee, Mr. Ali Taj, and he's a wonderful man, and I think Artesia is going to benefit from his leadership because he's very supportive. I'm a president of the Cultural Center where he comes for super international events, and he's a wonderful man, and a great honor is to be here today to share this festivity and his inauguration. Thank you.
तो नाज़रीन, आपने मुलाज़ा फरमाई सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजा की रीऑर्गेनाइजेशनल इवेंट और हमारे पाकिस्तानी नसाद पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन अली सज्जाद ताज साहब सिटी ऑफ आर्टिजा के मेयर मुंतखब हुए, जो कि हमारे लिए एक बड़ा अहम दिन है और बहुत एक तारीख़ी दिन है, और इट्स अ वेरी मोमेंटस ओकेजन फॉर पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी। हमें हमारे प्रोग्राम के बारे में जो आपकी आरा हैं उससे आगाह करते रहिए। अपना फीडबैक, अपने कमेंट आपके स्क्रीन पे जो कि एड्रेस है उसके ऊपर हमें भेजते रहिए, और हमारे प्रोग्राम की पिछली एपिसोड्स देखने के लिए प्लीज़ विज़िट pakistanlink.com/ARY। हमारे प्रोग्राम का वक्त अब ख़त्म हुआ। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। खुदा हाफिज़।